Hey there, Danny. I'm one of the account executives here at BombBomb, and today thousands of mortgage professionals like yourself are already utilizing BombBomb. Why? Well, because you probably already know this too, you're not gonna win business on your rate alone. Clients and referral partners choose you because of your ability to build trust, stronger relationships, and show them that they're in good hands with you. You have to convey your value early on to consistently win business. But are your written emails and text messages effective in helping you do this? Can you even expect them to do this when the messages in your clients' inboxes more or less look the same? With BombBomb, you can use video to show your clients the human behind the rate and convey the trust, confidence, and helpfulness to set you apart. Simply record a video on the BombBomb app or your mobile device and send it as an email or a text message. They can watch it at their convenience and you'll know when and how long they've engaged in that video. Uploading takes just a matter of seconds. Instead of relying on plain text to explain complex ideas or demonstrate your expertise, now you can communicate just as effectively as a face-to-face meeting. I know what you're thinking. I don't have time to create videos. But most of our clients actually use BombBomb to save time. They start by recording a video once, like an introduction, and they'll reuse that video every time they connect with a brand new lead. Over time, you can add videos that answer common questions, saving you the time of having to jump on the phone or write out a lengthy email, all while delivering a great customer experience that helps you connect. You can even send personal one-to-one videos when that special client needs a little extra attention. Either way, BombBomb has already helped thousands of other mortgage professionals save time, set more appointments, and earn more business. Curious what a BombBomb video looks like in your client's inbox? Just click send me an example below, and when you're ready to get started, click on the free trial button at the top of the page.